Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can get XRP address in Binance. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC or laptop and search for Binance.com. After that, open the official website and sign into your account. After signing in, you will be redirected to this type of page. Here, click on Deposit button at top right corner and then select Deposit Crypto. Now, select the coin. In our case, it will be XRP, and then select the XRP network. Then simply click on Show Me Address button and you will be able to copy it from this page icon. And that's how you can get XRP address in Binance. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.